Up, 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 up. Whoa, whoa, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hello there and welcome to Chandler Park Goat Stud. So we're a full-blood Boer Goat Stud on the Riverina of New South Wales, Australia. And we breed goats for what, Nevi?
Meat.
And
stuff.
Yeah, we breed goats for meat and for stud. So yeah, and we're down here on a... You want to hold the GoPro a sec? Down here on a Sunday morning because we've got a few jobs to do. Now just watch that fence, Nevi.
Goatie.
Come on, girls. And here we have our very pregnant mamas and some of the kids from our spring drop that we're keeping. So all these kids aren't from these mums. Joey, you're useful sometimes, but you're not useful now. Come here. Come on, girls. That's it. Good job. So these are nearly a month out from kidding. And see some of them, like Candy here, starting to bag up a little. So what we got to do today, we are going to trim the bucks' feet, give them a bit of a health check, get them ready for joining at the end of April. We're going to make this a kind of two-part video, so we're going to do some work today, do some work next weekend. Next weekend we're going to drench, vaccinate, give these a bit of a health check, do any hoof trimming a tiny bit if need be, but just try and do the minimum handling with the pregnant girls. And then hopefully at the end of it there'll be a nice video for you guys. So yeah, but yeah, beautiful day here, autumn day. Yeah, you got anything to say, Nevi?
No, I don't think so.
No.
Sonny, stop it.
Yeah, you can say something. What do we got to do today, Alfie? What do you got to say, Alfie?
Wait for goat for meat and stud.
Good boy. Go and shut the gate, gatekeeper.
Come on, Sylvia, come on.
Up we go, up we go. Come on, come on, come on. Go up. Alfie, you lost one. Let her walk. Good job. Yeah, so we're due to start kidding on the 10th of April and we're due to start joining on the 25th, Anzac Day, or the 27th, whatever Anzac Day is. But yeah, April is going to be quite busy for us. But we think that because we PG'd or gave the pregnant does a shot of progesterone and then put them in with the bucks, they should have all cycled very close together. So we think we're going to get a crazy few days with kids coming everywhere and then we'll be done. So hopefully autumn kidding's going to be short and sweet.
Oh my God, Paul, your thing is so long.
I'm trying to YouTube at the moment, Nevi. So these are some of our young bucks that we're keeping for stud. We got Ringer, who we're probably going to use. And yeah, as you can see, Paul is applying his aftershave. You're a lovely boy, and now I've got to get my hands all over you. Thanks. Come on, come on, come on. Give it another jiggle. Come on. Come up. Up we go. As you can see, Paul is definitely in need of a foot trim. So I'll just do these two. Alrighty. Can you shut that gate for me, please, Navy? That's it.
Big horns, haven't you, Paulie?
You grab the top horn. Or, yep. That's it. That's it. Oh, sorry. That's it. Twist. Yes. Thank you.
He got stuck, did he?
Freaking a little bit. That's kind of good though. Ready? If you
Looks like you're doing a workout.
ready?
I was trying to have a quicker done that week. Anyway.
Alright, you come. Keep him calm. Alfie, sit back down. Nevy, sit back down, please. Okay, good job. It's a bit of getting him in. Ugh. Thanks, Paul. Yep. Oh man.
I'm holding his beard, so
Yeah.
I'm going to smell the beard. You're a good boy, Paul.
He is. This will be what, the third time he's been in here maybe? But that's the only downside to this, is getting his horns through.
Yeah.
So scary.
Just get his foot back in there, don't before you put him up at the back there, see how it's
Yep.
Paulie, Wally.
I'm just loosening it a little bit. Good job. Good job, mate.
Oh no, there's a way back spider on the
Whereabouts?
on the measure thing.
What measure you got?
Yeah, he looks much better.
That's a way back out. We don't touch it. Look at that. That's a way back now.
Okay.
So Dad's cutting the foot. Hoof.
What did he just do?
He just walked up the little ramp we made.
And what did he do before that?
He
Why is my hand wet?
peed on his leg, so Dad's holding wet.
Wet pee.
I'm glad I'm not doing that job right now.
You give Dad a good job, Danny.
Yeah.
You say, ha ha, Daddy. Ha ha, Daddy.
This is good farm work, isn't it, Alfie?
Yes.
We like doing farm work.
No. Tell every.
Is this Impy? and I'm the moral support for the goats. I hold their heads and tell them it's okay.
That's a real goat just saying.
Yeah, these aren't toys that we've these aren't teddy bears that we've got in the flipper. I know they're very quiet and going to sleep with Mum, but she's very good at putting things to sleep.
Including myself.
Yeah.
Probably my favourite pastime, sleep.
Pre-joining, we don't want any feet issues. If they've got feet issues, they're not likely to jump up because it hurts when they come back down. And so yeah, feet, hoofs on the bucks is very important pre-joining, and everything else. So they've had gland vaccination booster, they've had a drench. They're just trying to tick every box prior to joining. It's good, like with the autumn joining, we had one go, it didn't work, and we managed to have another go. But it's much better if we can just smash it first time round, get all the does pregnant, because the bucks are in tip-top shape. And we're pretty sure we're going to use ringer on the majority of the spring herd this time round. We're really happy with his offspring. And then Paul we might use on some, not sure yet, not sure. And Impy, we've got kids coming from him, so we're going to have a look at him, what he produced, and yeah, we might even use him. But it would be nice this year if we can just throw all the does in the paddock, just let ringer go, and then we don't have too many separate other joining paddocks. We'd only have one joining paddock. That's the plan. We've got the little guys in here. We just give them a little foot trim, maybe a quick drench, and then they'll be back up with the big boys. Up, 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 up. Whoa, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
You alright?
Yeah? Let's try that again. Me. Well, that didn't exactly go to plan, but we got the bucks in the trailer. But yeah, Paul is pretty much in heat or in must or whatever the goats get. But yeah, he's a bit more head up. Normally we have no problems with him, but he did not want to go in the trailer. And the fact I was standing there, he couldn't give two hoots. He just went straight through me. But oh well, tick that off the bucket list. That's the first time I've been knocked over by goats, and we've been doing this nearly three years now. But yeah, it does show you got to be careful with big animals. Yeah. But anyway, I'm alive, it's all good, no broken bones, sore leg. We carry on. That's the bucks done for today. We're friends again? We're friends again? No, we're still not friends just yet.
There's a grain in the back of a handful of grain, Dom.
Nah, he don't get grain.
Are we friends? Are we friends? Are we friends?
Don't know, he's just a bit weird today. Carmel's got the motivational bucket. The magic bucket. Come on, come on, come on. There you go. KK in there?
Yep.
Smile to the camera, everyone. Whoop, whoop. There's the bucket, girls. Come on, you lot. And last time we did this was a bit of a schmozzle. Yeah! Oh, that works better. That was. These are our sort of homemade, well not homemade, they work for cattle yards, but we've adapted them for goats. Okay. Carmel's got the one we need. Good job, Carmel. KK here just got a sore front foot that we noticed. So we just cut it back a bit and put some copper sulfate on there and a bit of antiseptic spray, and we'll just watch her for a couple of days. But she seems happy enough. She's feeding, but she's just not putting much weight on that foot. But anyway, our little bush yards, they work good. Now we can let these girls out. Daisy's long. She's homegrown. Homegrown goaties. Awesome. Good job, you.
Good job, you.
How'd you go? Chewy! Hello there. So we're back. It's the following week. My leg's feeling much better after being bulldozed by Paul. And we got our girlies here. So we've got the young kids and then the expectant mums. The expectant mums are about a month out from kidding now, so we're going to bring them in, give them a pre-kidding drench, vaccination or like a booster vaccination for them, and just give them a bit of a health check. We don't really want to handle them too much because they're pretty pregnant, but yeah, obviously if we see anything that needs doing, we'll do it now. And yeah, come on. Hey. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, 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 yes. Oh. Come on. Come on, Julia. Come on, girls. You. No, they're already pregnant. So mummy's up the race and then we can drench them nice and easy and give them a booster. Just get our hands on them. But they all feel pretty fat. They look pretty fat. Yeah. Carmel's in there.
Lavender. First up. Will you drench you first, will you?
Yep. Thumb in the mouth, please.
Oh, geez. Sorry, bossy, this one.
Here we go.
Well, did you get the drenching gun in there, will you?
Well, you just hold it still, will ya? What do you think you are doing up there, mister? What are you doing? All right, well, that is that done. Good job, Carmel.
Good job, Johnny.
As you can see, they're looking pretty happy. And the roulettes are doing some loop the loops, Carmel. That's so cool. Yeah, I don't know. So we topped up the blue spray, so Pretoria's just having one. We're kind of waiting to see what happens with her. She had a single buck for us in the first year we had her, and he weighed 6 kilos born. And yeah, he's called Pluto, and he is an epic buck. So we are, as much as we want does, I would not be happy if she's having another big buck for us. Majestic's having 1, Candy's having 2, so No Dots is 2. But yeah. So that's pretty good for the goat work. Now we're going to give some hay to our goats up at the lease property. So I'm going to go jump on the tractor and do some tractor time. Whoop, whoop. Tractor time. Good job, boys. And of course we got some escapees. Hello, goaties. What a beautiful day. We need power. So these are some of our beautiful homegrown hay, just pasture hay, but yeah, it's just going to give the goats a bit more roughage. There's plenty of green grass, but yeah, it's good for them to have the roughage. And yeah, supplementary feeding is not ideal, but it's not the worst thing when you want your animals in peak physical condition. So that's what we want. We want our animals pretty much show ready at any time, so they're ready to join, ready to kid. Yeah, that's what we like at Chandler Park. Of course they get under the hay. Can you give me 2 minutes, please, ladies? Will not take you long. Come on. Don't rub on it, Daisy. Don't rub your ass on it. Okay. There we go, a bit of whole grain barley and Nutrimix for the girls. Found a bucket. Yeah, throw some seaweed in it. Oh, I was waiting to see if one would jump up. Oh, those legs are looking a bit old. You got Zelda right behind you. That's where the... Oh, we got... Who's that? Sabrina. Daisy trying to make a run for it. Okay, but they haven't had it for a while, so that's it. They're not looking in bad condition, but we did notice they can start to feel some bones and stuff, so we just wouldn't mind them putting on a bit more condition. There's still grass and greenness, but it's obviously not got as much nutritional value as it did earlier on in the year, which is pretty normal for this, because we're in autumn now. So yeah, we'll feed the hay, we'll feed the grain. Carmel doesn't like where I've put the hay. She thinks it's going to roll down into the dam, which is it's a pretty valid point, but I'm sticking to my guns. I reckon it'll be all right there, so we'll see how we go.
Should we take a wager?
A wager? What's the bet? It's going nowhere.
If they knock it from behind, it's going straight in the dam.
A cow, yes.
Goat.
I don't think a goat's going to move that hay bale.
Let's just see, shall we?
Yeah, we will see.
We'll come back to you on that one.
So we got a ute out the gate with no disasters. Now we've got to get the tractor out.
Like if you go back.
Yeah. They're pretty scared of the tractor and the noise. Fun, fun, fun. Mission accomplished. Whoop, whoop. Come on, come on. Good boys. What do you make of that? Some fresh hay for you. There you go. Boys looking not too bad. Oh, Paul's still showing him who's boss. Come here. Alrighty, well that is about it for this episode. Hope it's a good one. It might be a long one, we'll see once we get editing. But thanks for watching, we really appreciate it. If you like it, don't forget to do the old like and subscribe, ring the bell, and then you get notified when a new video comes out. Alrighty, so the next time you see us, we're going to have these does kidding. So there's going to be little autumn babies on the ground running around. So that'll be our next video. Alrighty, well take care and we'll see you next time at Chandler Park Goat Stud.